Old Falcon. There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Only one person at Indy, 5:45 in the evening on a Thursday night. Oh well. Okay. Here we have today's specials. Today's specials. Oggy Knobs. Little mini Oggy Knobs. We're going out the door for $50 a hit. So one set's already gone. Actually, two sets are gone definitely. Third set is touch and go, which leaves one left. First in, first dressed. Over here, we've got the foot pegs for bladder reps and cags. Where are we? Let's see. That's the end. Slide straight on. The Oggy's. They look like this. So if you drop your bike, it might save your fairings. I'm going to throw another set on back up here.